So yeah, hello and welcome guys. This is team the BitLords, and we're presenting our project Jobin, which is an advanced company profiling using machine learning. And in this video, we're giving you a demo and a walkthrough through our project and the services and the applications which have been provided. And this project is our entry to the IBM Hack Challenge 2019 under the problem statement 1 or the Friend Affinity Finder. In this video, only we'll be knowing how the concepts and the insights of the Friend Affinity Finder are being used, and the sources of this project are already being hosted in our GitHub repository, link of which is being available in the description below. So kindly have a check and please provide your remarks in the comment section below. Now, please, before using application, before downloading, kindly do all the installation and the setup process as being mentioned in the readme file in the GitHub repository. So I have already hosted our application. I will just using I'll just using our browser to launch it. So yeah this is Jobin, which is an advanced company profiling using machine learning. So now, what basically services we are profiling by saying the company profiling? Now, we thought that every year when a candidates are searching for jobs and in different companies, they might be knowing that whether they will be suitable for that company or not, like the work culture, the skill sets required, the pressure, the mindset, the output required by that company, will the whether the candidate is being suitable, whether he or she can take that pressure. Now that those kind of questions usually arise in every candidate's mind. So for solving those problems, we have idealized this project. In this project, firstly, a company needs to register. Now a company is to register by providing essentially the company's already employed employees data about the links of their social media handles, like the Facebook profile, the LinkedIn profile, the Twitter profile, etc. Now, with that data, we are using that data with in the IBM Watson's personally Insights API, and then we are using that service to extract the information about their personal and the professional data, and then we are using algorithm to give a standardized score about a company, which will be predicting whether the company is it's a very good company or not, is a profit company or not, depending on that score. Now, with the standardized data is just like a mean data of all the employees, but it's not exactly a mean, rather it's standardized. That is it is being provided with basis of all the properties being taken under control, and then data can be compared with the candidates personal and professional data, which are also being extracted from the candidates social media handles. All the data which are being extracted are all the publicly accessible social media data. We are not accessing any kind of privately available data, and all the data being extracted with prior permission from the users. And so just now hop in and see, and after giving, so like first I will do the company registration. Just give a random name, so Intera Technologies. Head office, let it be Kolkata. Business email CEO at Intera.com. So now let's hit enter, hit submit our application details, and now the Excel sheet is loaded. We will be submitting the company's employees details here. So I've already collected some details about some employees of some company and some random companies, and I'll just copy and paste them in this Excel sheet. So now this data will be used the data in this social media handles will be used by the IBM Watson's personality insights package to extract the personality and personal and the professional data, which we used to give a standardized score. So this has been created. You can see, so a company standard score is 0.84, which means this company is reliable for 84%. Case this is being extracted using a predefined algorithm which is being made by us, and this standardized data is like a mean data, on an average employee should have qualities with this kind of scores, and so you can also print it. Now the company part is over. Now the user part essentially comes. I will again go to the home page, And suppose a user doesn't want to register first and just want to see a company's information, they can see it. So just they will type the company's data here, technologies, yeah, and then hitting a search, and yeah, so this data will again be projected here, so you can view this easily. And like if a candidate wants to know whether he or she will be applicable for this project or not, just he needs to enter birth, say yeah, then suppose mail, and then we'll be providing some Facebook links. These links are being extracted from some certain accounts, and obviously those accounts are of our friends, so we have prior permission before extracting them. So we'll be using them facebook.com/kumar.ajay, then instagram.com/ajay, then I will be providing the rest of details. The Twitter profile is IBM Hack. The LinkedIn profile is linkedin.com/in/ajay. The Stack Overflow, so this person doesn't have a Stack Overflow, so we're not providing. Our friend doesn't do queries on Stack Overflow much. He is himself doing all much. So Quora link is Quora.com/users/ajay. Yeah, so this is an important field which the company which that person is looking into. So as only one company is being registered in here currently, so I'll just type their data only. Yeah, so the user's data has been filled, and now we'll just submit it. So after submitting, yeah, so this has been projected. So candidate Ajay Kumar's, these are the scores of his personality and professionality insights. This is not a standard score, this is his own individual score which is being extracted from the personality insights of the IBM Watson's package. And this score is prepared using all the publicly accessible social media data. And then the important part here comes that your suitability result for working in company Technologies. So suitability status says that it is highly suitable. Now the suitability status are in different stages, which are highly suitable, suitable, merely suitable, and not suitable. So highly suitable because it is more than 0.85. So if your score is more than 0.85, the suitability score is more than 0.85, then you're highly suitable. And there are some other ranges for this also. Now the suitability score is being calculated by comparing the standardized data of the employees of that company and the candidate's individual data, and then suitability score, or we can most probably say a prediction score, how much both are same, is being projected here. So this can also be predicted, and through this information a candidate will be knowing that whether he or she is perfect or not to work for a particular company. So yeah, this was all about our service which is known as Jobin, and thank you for viewing our video. So this was our service, and these are the designers who are behind all the making of this project. And thank you very much for seeing this video. Thank you very much. We are really being blessed to see this. So this was Jobin from the team The BitLords, which is an advanced community profiling using machine learning. Thank you very much.